this match is sure to not disappoint, especially considering who's involved here tonight.
You're absolutely right, Michael. This match will be one we'll be talking about for a long time to come.
At a combined weight of 440 pounds, dudes with attitude.
Given the participants, this match might very well steal the show, guys.
Yeah, and I think you could go so far as to say it has the makings of a match of the year candidate.
It's go time, fellas. The WWE Universe here in Zurich is in for one. Across the shoulders. Up and... He's thinking the ring can't contain what he has in mind here. Back inside the ring. Splash! This match's brutality starting to show on him. Stomping down! Oh, nasty impact. And a knee stomp! That'll ruin your leg. Ooh, what a damaging blow. Uh-oh, going up top. This isn't gonna be good. Vicious back suplex. Lightning fast reflexes.
Gotta find a way to get out of this.
Sneaks out of that one.
That's how you get out of trouble, Michael.
Across the shoulders. Oh, what's this gonna be?